Our Excel worksheet may be protected, and we are unable to remember the sheet unprotect or edit range password. Due to this, we cannot make any modifications to the worksheet. In this video, we will see how to unprotect the worksheet in such a case and reset the password. Here we have an Excel worksheet with sample product sales data. Currently, all the cells in our data have their protection status as locked. That is, the locked checkbox is enabled. So when we protect our worksheet, all the cells will become uneditable or locked. However, we require that only the data cells in the units sold column be editable and the rest cells should be locked. So, to achieve this, we will create a new editable range. Let us also provide a range password to it. So, when the worksheet is protected, we will need this password to do any modification to the cells mentioned in the range. We are giving the range password as 1, 2, 3, 4. Reconfirm the range password. Then, apply all the changes. Now let us protect our worksheet for the locking to take effect. We will also provide a sheet unprotect password. This password is required when we try to unprotect the worksheet. We will provide this password as 1, 2, 3. Let's skip this permissions part and click OK. Confirm the sheet unprotect password. And our example is ready. To know more about cell locking and unlocking in the Excel worksheet, please check this video. So, in our example, the worksheet is protected. When we try to unprotect the worksheet, we are prompted for the sheet unprotect password. Or if we are trying to edit the data cells, in the protected range, under the units sold column, we are prompted to enter the range password. Though we have set the protection passwords just now, we will assume that we don't remember them. Therefore we will not be able to unprotect our sheet and do the necessary modification. We will have to reset the password now. First, we will reset the sheet unprotected password. Once it is reset, we can modify the range password from within the Excel worksheet. We will close our Excel document. This demo-original is our Excel document of interest. Before carrying out the process of resetting the password, we will create a copy of it. Just for the backup. If anything goes wrong, we will have a copy of the document to revert to. We will rename the copy as demo-copy. So this is our original document, and this is its copy. We will work on this copy file. We will now need an archiver application for further processing. We will be using the 7-zip archiver application. It is a free and open-source file archiver. Its official download link is provided in the description. We will right-click on demo-copy file, and under 7-zip, click Open Archive. This will open our Excel document in 7-zip as an archive of all its components. We will open the Excel folder. Then we will open the Worksheets folder. Here we will get a list of all the worksheets present in our Excel workbook as an XML document. Since we had only one sheet in our Excel workbook, so we have just sheet1.xml. You might have multiple worksheets. So, identify the right sheet before further working on it. We will select our sheet1.xml file, and drag and drop it outside here. Now let us open the XML file and have a look at it. If we scroll down to the end, we can see the sheet protection tag. Starting from the opening angle bracket to its closing angle bracket. This tag is responsible to enable sheet protection and maintain the authentication for this worksheet. This is the complete line we are looking for, starting from opening angle brackets, sheet protection tag, up to, scenarios equal to 1, /, and closing angle bracket. If we look down, we see the start tag, protected ranges. And all the lines up to the closing protected ranges tag are responsible for defining the editable cell ranges using the Allow Edit Ranges option. We can see the range title, the target range of cells, and authentication details related to range password. But we will only deal with the sheet protection. Because, once the sheet protection is reset, we can then reset the range password from within our worksheet, if required. Let's edit this XML file now. We will right-click on our sheet1.xml file and open it with a text editor like Notepad. The file will look something like this. I have the word wrap enabled, hence I can see the text in multiple lines. If your Notepad doesn't have the word wrap enabled, then all the text will be continuous like this. Just enable the word wrap under the Format menu. Now we will press the Ctrl+F keys to open the Find box. Here we will type Sheet Protect as a single word. Then click Find Next. It will search the Sheet Protection tag in the document. We will carefully select the Sheet Protection tag from its opening angle bracket to the closing angle bracket. Then we will delete it. The next tag we can see is Protected Ranges. As mentioned earlier, we don't have to delete it. If we remember the range password, then, after protecting the sheet, we can use the previously set range password to edit the cell ranges. Or, if we don't remember the range password, then we can later reset it from within the worksheet. So we will leave it as it is. Then save the file, and close it. So now this is our modified sheet1.xml file. Now we will replace the original sheet1.xml file in the 7-zip archive with our modified XML file. Here is our already open 7-zip application. Just cross-check if the right Excel document is opened or not. Then select the sheet1.xml file inside the archive and delete it. Now just drag and drop the modified sheet1.xml file into the archive. Click Yes to confirm the file copy. Once done copying, close the 7-zip application. We don't need it anymore. We don't need this sheet1.xml file either. We can delete it. Now let us open the demo-copy file to check if the modification has taken effect or not. Let us check the protection status of the worksheet under the Review menu. We see that the worksheet has been unprotected. We can edit any cell in the worksheet. We don't need even the range password to edit the cells under the Units Sold column, as the sheet is unprotected. Now we can reset the range password if required. We will click on Allow Edit Ranges. Then select our defined range. Click Modify. Click Password. Here we can set a new range password. We will give it as 1, 2. Confirm the new password. Then click OK. Click Apply, and OK. Our range password is now reset. Let us protect our worksheet for locking to take effect. We can now set a new Sheet Unprotect password. Just for demonstration, we will keep the password as 1. Please use safe passwords. Then click OK. Confirm the password, and click OK. Now our sheet is protected. If we try editing the cells under the Units Sold column, we need to provide the newly set range password, 1, 2. Then we can edit these cells. If we want to unprotect the sheet, we will provide the newly set unprotect sheet password, which is 1. Our sheet will be unprotected. If we look at the original Excel file, the range password is still the previously set password, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the sheet unprotect password is still 1, 2, 3. Whereas the modified Excel worksheet has the previous passwords reset and set to new passwords. So, we have successfully reset the unprotect sheet and range password in the Excel worksheet. If you liked the information, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time and patience. Have a nice day.